Hi, I'm Bob Duchesne, and today we're taking a bird's eye view of the sexiest bird in Maine. This is the Atlantic puffin. Only one state in America has them, and that's Maine. The best place to see them is on Machias Seal Island off the down east coast. And to get there, you have to meet Andy Patterson.
Our destination this morning is a small rocky island about 9.5 nautical miles due south. We're taking this group, Corey and I, 10 miles out to sea, that way.
In order to survive, puffins need an air force, and that's these guys. Common and Arctic terns also breed on Puffin Islands. They're fast, nimble, and will gang up on threats, including people. While protecting their own chicks, they accidentally protect the puffins. There's a couple thousand terns out here, and they're making more. Puffins also have cousins on the island, members of the same family called alcids. Common murres are out here. Razorbills are out here too. And the star of the show. There are thousands of puffins on Machias Seal Island, one of 5 puffin colonies along the Maine coast, and the only one you can land on. This is the most popular puffin trip in Maine. It sells out right after the first of the year, but it's not the only puffin trip. Stick around, and soon I'll tell you another puffin trip you could go on tomorrow.